the directions for lesson 21 sprints? Anthony T, go ahead. So this is exactly what we've been practicing, right? Multiples of 10, like 30 times 5, 40 times 8, okay? So make sure that you are on side A. Take your finger, point to the A. You should be on what side of the paper, the left or the right? What side, Lexi? Left side of the paper. Nice job. All right, so you will have 1 minute to do as many as you can. Just try your best, and we're stopping when the timer goes off. Okay? 1 minute. Ready, set, think. Pencils down. Grab your correcting pen. Pencils down. Thank you. Okay, let's do it all together. Let's say our answers out loud, but let's go nice and slow so everyone has a chance to correct. Okay, let's start with number 1. So 2 times 3 is 6. 60. 60. 4. 40. 40. 8. 80, 50, 150, 150, 16, 160, 160, 180, 180, 35, 350, 350, 32, second column for those of us who got there. Ready? 320, 320, 54, 540. Anyone else? Okay. Write how many you got correct at the top of the page. What did you notice about this sprint? Why did they do 2 times 3 and then 2 times 30? Or what was another example? 4 times 2 and then 4 times 20. Brody, what do you think? Okay, yeah, nice job. Does anyone else want to explain why they think they did 4 times 2 and then 4 times 20? Carolina?
It's making one of the ones at 10, like we were.
Right, they're doing the basic fact first, right? Just like Brody and Carolina said, and then now they're moving it into the tens column, like we practiced yesterday. Exactly. All right, side B. Go ahead and switch your pen for your pencil. Is everyone on side B? Are we ready? All right. All set. Ready, set, think. All right, pencils down. Nice job. I saw a lot of skip counting going on while you were trying to figure out the facts. Go ahead and grab your correcting pen. Hold it up in the air. Show me you're ready. Correcting pens. Nice job. All right, let's say it all together, starting with the first column. 4 times 2 is?
80, 90, 96, 60, 25, 250, 12, 120, 21, 210, 240, 36. We're in the second column. 360, 48, 480, 10, 100, 240. Keep going, or we all set? Done.
Nice job. All right, write down how many you got correct on side B. And then write down your improvements. So if you went from 14 to 13 or 13 to 14, your improvement will be 1. If you didn't have an improvement, that's okay. All right, go ahead and close that up and put it in your math folder, please. All right, and take out your whiteboard. Make sure you have an Expo marker and an eraser. If you don't have an eraser, go grab a tissue. And I will give you 1 minute of doodle time. Remember, after this 1 minute is up, we are not doodling. We are just doing math on our whiteboards. Okay? All right, go ahead and doodle for 1 minute. All right, bless you. Go ahead and erase your boards. All right, for our warm-up today, we are going to review a couple of the skills we've been learning lately. So multiples of 10, and then moving the parentheses like you did on homework last night. So I'm going to write 4 multiplication equations with multiples of 10 in them. I want you to copy them down and solve them, right? The product to each equation. Yes, Jaden?
Can I move my chair and go circles?
If you can't see. See if you can see first and then you can move. Okay. All right. Let's do... Go ahead and copy those down. And write the product. Remember, that's the answer to a multiplication equation. Jaden, can you see? Try to write them behind us. We'll check it all together in a second. About the basic fact first, and then think about moving it into the tens column. Multiplying the whole thing by 10. Think of 4 times 8, and then move that. Move 4 rows of 8 into the tens column. Nice job. Think about the 9s packed on your finger. Think about 9 times 6. Have to do that on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try that. Think about 8 times 4 again. Let's count by 8, 8, 16, 24, 30. All right, take a second and check your answers with the person next to you, and then we will check them all together. So Kyle will check with Maya, and Anthony check with Joelle. Ashley, you can check with, actually, that's fine. Ashley, you can check with the Annie and Anthony, okay, for 3. Give me a thumbs up when you're done. Nice job. I see 2 groups that are ready. Don't erase it, don't erase it, don't erase it. We're checking all together. It's okay. What's 7 times 2? 7 times 2. 14, and then add your what? Yeah, so what would it be? 140. All right, you all set? Okay, everyone, tell me the answer to 40 times 8. Oh, I can't hear you. Nice and loud.
320.
50 times 3.
160.
9 times 60.
540.
And 7 times 20.
140.
Fantastic. Go ahead and erase your boards. We are going to practice one more thing with parentheses, and then we'll move on to our focus lesson.